Hey y'all, it's Lisa with Hobbie Time. Ready to build some stuff? Hopefully I don't make a mess. We'll see. Not so good with that. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, I got another diner one. Also series 1. So I guess the diner and the cafe are both series 1. They must be just trying it out. See what we get. Just see. Maybe it's a pie. That'd be different. Don't want this drink again. But if so, we do know how to do it. You just gotta cure it halfway through. Just gotta see. Okay, that looks different. That came off nicely. Hooray for that. Just gotta rip it off quickly. Alright. I swear. Where? Nope, not there. Where's the little... Here. There it is. Not that it matters, apparently. Get you started, but it doesn't come off. Grr. There we go. Alright, let's see what we got here. Of course, little table thing. Our resin. Have a sunny day. Oh no. I already can tell this is a drink. I already can feel it through the package that it's a drink. These are the instructions. Who needs instructions? Got our tongs. Buy more of our shenanigans, which we already do. That, my friends, seems to be a bent straw, like we always get. And a little doily. But it's on this, so maybe it's not, maybe it's not. We can hope, because it's a table. Last time they didn't really give me a table? I don't know. Maybe I'm confusing it with the other ones. Pop in there, sucker. Table assembled. I don't even know why I bother opening these, because I tend to just use my hands, but... And like I've mentioned before, it is nice to have an alcohol thing if you do get the resin on your fingers, on your table. It is nice because it gets it off. But... Okay, so it's a spoon. It's not a straw. Not a straw. Oh. Limes. Cute. Got some limes. Sure. Guys, we got a pie. Oh, yay, we got something different. Yay, we got a pie. Which, more whipped cream. See, this is why I thought it was a drink. Because with the whipped cream, with the evil whipped cream that I had to deal with last time, it just sank. Yeet. Oh, yay, pie. All right. And that's our resin. Just a spread. Obviously, don't eat it. I'll keep this warm for a minute. Hopefully it comes out. Okay. Now, I always rip these things open. So, we got a pie. So, we're getting a little bit of everything. I'm enjoying that. Obviously, we got that one. Ta-da! Key lime pie. I don't even like key lime pie, but let's see how this turns out. Now, I'm I don't know why this isn't a knife, but I guess you could just, you know, beast mode it and just eat the whole pie. But, okay. Let's start off by flinging limes everywhere, because that's always a good idea. Oh, it's gonna open nice. Are we gonna have a nice day? A nice day, okay. Okay. Open our pie crust. Come on. Ooh, it's all flexible. So cute. I wonder if I should put like a little bit of resin, just stick it in here. Nah, that's pretty good. It fits in there pretty good. And we know these just pop out everywhere. So we're just gonna spew some of those. Whipped cream. This one should be pretty quick. We'll see though. I say that, but we'll see. Because stupid lid. But it's been nice so far, so let's be hopeful. Be hopeful. No? No, let's not. Okay. See, I ended up getting my scissors anyway. So I guess we just kind of pour some of this gooby goop in here. It's gonna look like snot. Ew. Okay, I think I only want to do like a little bit, because I know it's gonna sink. Stop. Okay, gonna shimmy, because it doesn't really shimmy, just kind of run it around, bring it around town. Little SpongeBob reference for you. Yeah. Stick. Okay, well I stuck it to the side because it stuck to me. We'll make it pretty. Or at least try to. We can try. If I can grab one. Sorry if my head's in the frame there. It's a little harder than you think to place these suckers. I'm trying to do it so they're not going to sink. I'm like afraid they're going to sink. That. Okay, scoot over. Okay, I'm not gonna mess with. Well, that didn't quite work, did it? Just gonna have two limes here. I have some of this. I don't know. I don't make pies in real life, so now this is just looking chaotic. Yep, they're starting to sink, guys. Oh no, I shot that one across the desk. Well, that's alright. Everyone likes a little more extra. Well, that's my pie. That's what it looks like. Good enough. We're gonna do this. Fairly quick one. I mean, the pie does pretty quick. It does sink a little, that's why I didn't put a whole lot in there. But, I mean, obviously if you're a great cake decorator, you can plan it out more, set it out, see how you want to do it. Now you can set it out on the table, however you want to do it. I don't know. I started out cute doing 1 and 1 and then realized it didn't work. So, Mine turned out a little crazy. But I mean, look, if you were to really cut that up, you'd have a lime and some whipped cream and some gooey filling, whatever, in every bite, and still would taste delicious in real life. So, pie is pie. And if you're Dean from Supernatural, pie is pie. And he probably wouldn't share, and he would just use a spoon. Oh, poo! I forgot my spoon. So, when you cured it, it looks like a little darker, right? So what I'm going to do... So you have your pie here, right? I'm wondering if I could just stick my spoon to the table. That's what I'm going to do. Oh, I'm trying to get some of this so it looks like they like ate it without getting it all over me, because I don't really care for the smell of this resin. Stick it here, just like that. I don't want to cure it to my fingers. I'm just going to cure the spoon to that. And while it does that, so it has like a bunch of the resin on it, right? So it looks like it has the pie creamy filling stuff. And hopefully it'll stick. Yeah, there you go. So it looks like somebody ate some pie. And there we go. Voila. Tell me what you think. I mean, other than it's chaos. But hey, whatever. It's my pie. That's the way it works. Alright. Subscribe, like, comment, tell me what you think. Alright. See you guys later. Bye.